My name is Robert Shumoff. I'm part of the operations team here at QTK. I focus on software integration, library development in Microvellum. I think the biggest strength of Microvellum is the fact that we have such a fine-tuned control over our own library, how we output our machine code to our CNCs. We can do fine-tuning, we can do custom integrations, custom programming. Some machines we have here are customized and offer different functions. And having a software like Microvellum to be able to inject these special local machine-only commands to call things like drill insertion, handle insertion, hinge insertion, various different types of customizations is extremely powerful to us, as well as reviewing how we manufacture, finding pitfalls and shortcomings. We can retool how we approach certain situations using things like editing machine tokens, changing a strategy through there, as well as making large-scale changes to the tool file itself. I know Microvellum is always looking for ways to tweak and try and get as much horsepower out of that software as possible. Microvellum's greatest strength will always be its customization. The fact that I can take a standard library product and turn it into something truly special and unique for QTK is an extreme benefit to us.